Raptor 350 off of Marketplace? Wait a minute. Let's go see if we can get it running and see if it even compares. Well, guys, hopefully we got us an easy one back here. Raptor Clone. Let's go see what it takes to get it running real quick. We got a good deal on it. Guys, Sundays are for the Marketplace scores. Look at this Raptor 350 I got. Chinese Raptor 350 clone. Let's see if it'll even take me up a hill. It's not running. We just picked it up in Arlington. This piece of shit. Ooh, it sounds nasty. It's got some low tires. Ooh, some real good suspension on it. Missing the air box. Sweet, check. It's already leaking oil. That's perfect. Buzz, 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 buzz. Got a bunch of stuff going on in here. Buzz, 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 buzz. We should be able to get it running pretty easy. This is. Well, guys, let's get a battery to it. See if we can get it fired up here in a second. All right, so the thing's a wiring nightmare as well. So we've skipped ahead a little bit. Looks like they wired their solenoid to this push button. Probably because this one quit working. I don't know if it's gonna spark this way, but let's find out. So I got my jumper hooked up. I can use this as a key switch. Shoot a little starting fluid in there. Give her the beans. Well, that's not gonna help the spark. This guy's been hacking everything up, dude. Key switch is undone. Wish I could see where it was going before. Probably fix that real quick. Red and brown. Right here. Pull those off. So it looks like maybe they're putting a different type of ignition on it. I just looped those together, hoping they're from the ignition source, so maybe we'll get a spark. Yep. Now she runs. Right on. So let's clean all this crap up. We'll pull the carburetor. Basically what happened was I looked in here. This was tore up. So I looked for the red and brown wires, found them. They were going to this. I just ripped it off, hooked those together. Now I can hook this back to that and the key switch should work. There's no battery to charge. They've been wiring the hell out of this thing. Look, busted shit everywhere. We got this push button on going to the solenoid, 2 wires. Jeez. We got the carburetor. Seems like a fuel issue. Could be just out of gas, but then when you see in the back of this carburetor, you know it's dirty. So now we need to get the fuel line off, the choke off. Just got this fuel line right here to tear off. We get this pulled off. I have to clean the outside of it before we can clean the inside of it, guys, but we got the carb off. We got the tank draining, the carb soaking a little bit. Looks like we got a power wire here. That's a sweet terminal. That's factory. China. This is a Yamaha. So that's half Yamaha, half China. This looks like our ground. So we're gonna try and hook here and here and power it up, because the key is on, and we're gonna see if this push button works. I'm hoping that they put this piece of crap on here because they didn't know how to make the key work. So let's just see. What we got buzzing? This looks like the positive side. This got to be a ground here. Let's see. Okay. The little shitty push button works. Oh, great. Looks like we need a throttle cable as well. So that's freaking good news. Gotta wire this stuff up. We did find that these are the positive and negative. I think if this guy were here, our push button would work. Nope. The fuck is that? It's a rectifier buzzing. check them. Everything's out of the carburetor. You can see how gunky, dirty it is in there. I'm gonna clean it out with some carb spray in the compressor, clean all the jets, get it reassembled. We're gonna get the carb reinstalled. Somebody had been in it before me. Maybe it was the water in there, but honestly, I feel like it's because they couldn't get it sparking. So I give it a good cleaning. There was a lot of junk in there, mainly from not having an air filter on it. That may have been where the water came in too. All right, guys, moment of truth. Got her gassed up, carb back on. I had to rig up this cable a little bit, but we got a cable on it that should work. Let's get a jump to it. All right, well, I got her sparking, so I can piss out of me. Not too bad. Sounds like more exhaust coming out up there than back here. Try no choke. Oh crap, dudes. Let's send it then. Learn you guys something else here. Taking the battery off and it's dying. Show you why. All right, part 2 on this Marketplace China Raptor. So we've got to make some terminals for these to run a battery. We need to clean up some wiring in here. We've got to fix the key switch. We need to secure that together. And then we need to solder this bad boy back into this plug. So that's what we're going to do for starters right now. We got some nice copper terminals for a battery, and then we'll worry about the rest of the stuff. So guys, we fixed the running without a battery issue. We made us some new leads, and basically there was a positive wire going into the relay that wouldn't allow it to run. Oh, clutch seems to work. Just in this Raptor's chain, it's a little tighter now because we look as you move it, it's super loose. We need to adjust this down here. So we break loose these carrier bolts, tighten these up, and this is gonna tighten the chain for us. Time for a test drive.
Looks like. There you go.
Oh no, I just had to. Oh, she just got a little stuck. What a total piece of garbage. Suspension is nice. So guys, I tried to ride it with that new air filter on. It was way too restrictive, but you could use your ears. Guys, I appreciate you watching this Raptor 350 clone video. Be sure and give us a follow. Lots more on the channel. We got a Trailblazer 250 rebuild we're doing. TRX 250R work. Look at that one. 440EX build right now. Electric start and reverse, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Finally beat the old rear axle out of it. She's about done. I'm gonna make it my rider for the summer, and this fall I'm gonna take it apart and powder coat it. Do the rest of the bearing seals, anything that ain't new, vapor hone, the fork legs, and the bars and the bar clamps and the triples, that type of stuff. Get up in there, guys. We appreciate you.